Your ultimate guide to obtaining a USA student visa. Step-by-step procedure explained. The procedure for obtaining a student visa for the United States can vary depending on your individual circumstances, but here are the general steps. Choose your university and program. Research and choose the university and program you want to attend in the United States. Ensure that the school is authorized to enroll international students. Apply and receive Form I-20. Apply to the school for admission and receive a Form I-20 from them, which is a document that confirms your acceptance into the program and outlines the estimated costs of attendance. Pay the SEVIS fee. Pay the SEVIS fee, which is a fee required for all F&M visa applicants, and obtain a receipt. Complete the DS-160 form. Complete the DS-160 form online, which is the non-immigrant visa application form. Schedule and attend visa interview. Schedule and attend a visa interview at the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. You will need to bring your Form I-20, SEVIS fee receipt, and other supporting documents such as proof of financial support and academic transcripts. Wait for decision. Wait for the decision on your visa application. The processing time can vary depending on your individual circumstances and the workload of the U.S. embassy or consulate. Receive visa grant. If your visa application is approved, you will receive a visa grant letter with information about the validity and conditions of your visa. Travel to the United States. Once you have your visa, you can make travel arrangements to come to the United States. Upon arrival, you will need to present your visa and other supporting documents to the immigration officer at the port of entry. It is important to note that the above steps are a general guide only, and there may be additional steps or requirements depending on your individual circumstances. You can find more detailed information about the student visa process on the U.S. Department of State's website.
Thank you. For more information, contact us.